Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be planning out the month of April in my planner. I am currently in an A5 rings and I've been in this planner for quite a bit of time, probably like 2 years, and I've just been enjoying using an A5 rings. I have switched out of it a time or two for a hot minute, but I've pretty much spent the last couple of years using an A5 rings. This is a Notiq agenda and you can use code SHAY10 for 10% off. The dividers are from Sesavi, although I'm in the process of ordering new dividers, and the inserts are inserts that I made because I just decided that I wanted to go back to daily planning and I wanted to just have a planner that fit my needs. So I just whipped up these inserts myself. Today we're going to be doing some monthly planning, possibly even some daily planning, some financial planning, some social media planning, all of the things. So if you're interested in seeing that, then please keep watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is some monthly planning. So I am going to flip open my calendar tab here, and then I am going to go ahead and plan out the month and just write down everything that I think or know is going to happen in the month of April. Obviously, I won't know everything at the filming of this video and I can add in things later, but I'm going to start with just kind of mapping out everything that I know as of right now. I do have a hodgepodge of stickers. I have some stuff from Chic Blossom Prints and Peekaboo Planning, Shop LCA, Listing Out, Planning City, which I have a coupon code for, Mariposa Studios, Artisans, which I don't know if she's still in shop, Scribble Print Co., Cricut Paper Co. I think this is from Sunshine Sticker Co. I bought that at a meetup in Oregon. And then I also have this Agenda 52, the Paper Studio sticker book, and it's just kind of seasonal, so I may throw in some spring elements from this particular sticker book. Okay, so I have April all planned out for the most part, again, as much as I know as of right now, and this is just major appointments and activities and things of the sort that will be taking place in the month of April. Now I'm flipping the page. That will bring us to the weekly overview, and I want to go ahead and plan out the week. And this week is going to be for the first week of April. So I'm going to do that now. I'm just going to kind of map out my week as far as work and my full-time job, my side hustles, my business, all of the things. I do have a little sticky note right here for which I have kind of mapped out some of the things that need to take place during this week. So you'll see me pulling a lot of these tasks and such over to my weekly overview. So let's go ahead and map out and plan out the first week of April. Not the first full week, but that first week moving into April. So now I have my week all planned out. First, we did some monthly planning just to kind of see what all we had going on for the month. Now I have planned out the week so I can know what all needs to be done within this particular week, because only when I break down my goals into like smaller action steps do I find that I'm actually, you know, living the life that I want to live and getting done the things that I would like to get done. So now that I've mapped out the week and what all I would like to get accomplished in the week, which I'm pretty good about getting my weekly tasks accomplished. So next I would break down my day. I actually want to do a separate video on how I plan out my day. So I don't think I'm going to do that in this particular video. So we're going to go ahead and flip to the finance section. The financial overview looks pretty similar to my other monthly overview. I just labeled it financial overview. So I'm actually going to map out all of our bills for the month of April to include our personal bills as well as our business bills. And then I'm also going to write down a few of the goals that we have as well as some of the to-dos. Okay, so I have the bills all mapped out. Just to add a little interest, I'm going to highlight the ones that are business related. So we have Amazon, we have TubeBuddy, Canva, Epidemic, Apple, HP Inc., Apple again, and that is it as far as that goes. So I just wanted to add a little interest. I'm also going to mark a few paydays that I know are going to happen. So I do know that every Tuesday I am paid from Etsy, but because that's just a recurring thing, I'm not going to mark that. But I am going to mark the 15th and the 29th and the 21st. So the 15th is Notiq, that's pretty consistent, and YouTube is consistent, and Amazon. The rest are a little bit debatable and don't really come at the times that they're supposed to come, but I will go ahead and do a little highlight, but that doesn't necessarily mean I'm going to get paid every week from Etsy. That's just the day that I'm supposed to get paid, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to happen. Like, that's the day that I'm scheduled to be paid, but if I don't make any money, then I'm not paid, obviously. I'll go ahead and mark the Fridays as well. Those are the days that my husband gets paid, and then I'll mark my paydays, which those are going to be the 8th and the 22nd. That is my overview for the month of April. Now let's go ahead and move to the project section. So I'm going to map out some of the ideas that I have for YouTube videos. This is always subject to change, but I'm going to map out those as well, and then we'll keep on planning and setting up for the month of April. Okay, so here's my project sheet. Again, these are just videos that I am aiming for. This is definitely subject to change. I do try to aim for 8 videos per month, or basically 2 videos per week. And so I like to just have an idea of what videos I would like to produce. Otherwise, I'm just kind of lost in the sauce. I have an Etsy shop, I work a full-time job, I do all kinds of other things. So unless I like really have planned out what videos I would like to produce and or, you know, just kind of map out everything, then I just find myself just kind of going through the motions of my normal regular life and not really prioritizing or even really thinking about YouTube, because it just kind of falls on the back burner when you have a full-time job and all that other stuff. So therefore, in mapping it out, I am prioritizing it, and I know like what video I need to be producing. So if I'm just sitting around looking crazy on some days, which I tend to do like on a Saturday or something like that, then I can just refer to my planner and think, oh, like this is the video that I can release today. I can film it today and release it, because you know I'm off from work at my full-time job on Saturdays. I mean other days too, but Saturday is normally my filming day. So I can just look here, see what video I need to film, go ahead and film it. I can see what videos I have coming up, so I can go ahead and pre-record those if I have time. I just like to have it mapped out. I do like to take it a step further, and I actually like to have a calendar and have it planned out, like which days I'm supposed to film said videos or which days I can film said videos. So I'm thinking I may print out another like monthly calendar view and maybe like map out these in a different way. I do enjoy having this list and whatnot, but I feel like if I had like a monthly view like this, I can plan out the days that the videos are supposed to go live and even the days that I'm supposed to film them, and so on and so forth. So that may be something that I incorporate into my planning routine, but as of right now, I have not, and those are very interesting. Those little dots may or may not stress me out, but it's fine. So anyway, that's something that I think I may do in the future. So flipping to the to-do section, I do have a master to-do list, which I don't really have anything on it, and that's because I'm just now using these inserts, and the things that I would like to get done, I'm either A, getting them done, or B, they're already like on my task list for the week, and they're moving with me from week to week if I don't get them done. But this is just a catch-all for just random miscellaneous things that I need to get done. I also have a cleaning list here on the back. I was thinking I would use this more for like specific days, like this upcoming weekend or this past weekend, one of my teenage housekeepers came because she wanted to earn some money. So I was thinking I could like map out like what I would like for her to get completed and, you know, pass on that to her. Or she's actually coming back this upcoming weekend, and I was thinking I could kind of map out the things that I would like for her to do and just hand this over to her. Also, when she does come, I'm obviously having to help her navigate, you know, how to use a carpet shampooer or how to do this or that, and it's loud here so I can't film and stuff like that, which isn't a huge deal, but normally I just take that as an opportunity to do some cleaning as well. So that's kind of where my brain went. As far as this goes, my daily cleaning routine is pretty solid, so I don't really need to like map out my daily cleaning. I was thinking this would be more so for the days where me and my teenage housekeeper are really getting it in and getting things accomplished, and I'm normally like organizing and doing things like that while she's actually cleaning. Also days when my husband and I are getting it in as well. So some days we'll just kind of make a list and he'll tackle some things and I'll tackle some things. So that's kind of the purpose of this. Okay, so I think that's all the planning that we are going to be doing for today in this particular video. Again, do come back for a daily plan with me. I want to share with you guys how I plan out my day. Also, be on the lookout for more planning videos because I am going to be finally purchasing some things for my planner just to make it a little more of my aesthetic. I'm excited for whatever it is that I do order. I haven't ordered anything yet, but I've been filling up carts and just trying to map out and figure out what it is that I would like to purchase just to make my planner more me and to fit my aesthetic a little more. I don't know, I'm just thinking I want to go lighter with my agenda, although this one is lying flat. This one is from Notiq. I do have a code, use Shay10 for 10% off, and this one, she's lying flat and she's a beauty, but for whatever reason I'm thinking I want to go lighter, so I don't know if that will happen, but stay tuned. Okay you guys, so that is it for my planning routine and for my plans for the month of April as I'm getting started and moving into the month of April, of course. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.